Hey guys, what's up? How do you create your infomercial product so that you can make money online? And the good thing with Infoproduct is that once it's built, it's like real estate. You don't have to build it again. You can just send it to someone else. So it's a great way to make money online in a passive way, meaning you can make money when you sleep or when you're taking your showers or whenever you want to make money, right? So it's a great way to make money because it's passive, all right? You don't need to produce effort for this. Once it's built, you don't need to do it again. So it's passive, then it's very profitable. What does that fucking mean? So when guys show you when they talking and writing, man, that's hard, man. But whatever, it's not my first language. I think you guys can hear that shit. So anyway, why is it profitable? When guys tell you about their Shopify store or their dropshipping or their Amazon store, they don't talk to you about profitable. They don't talk to you about profit margins. What is that? It basically means the amount of money that you keep. When you make a business, for example, you sell something for like $100, alright? You sell something for $100. So there's $100 coming into your bank account. But thing is, you need money to buy the thing you sold, okay? So for example, you sold something for, let's say you sold it for $25. That means that you really got $75, okay? But then you needed ads because, you know, with Shopify store and all that kind of stuff, doing SEO is very unprofitable, so you're gonna need a lot of ads. Let's say that you just had like $20 for ads, meaning you spent $45 to make $100. So your profit margin is not 100%, 90%, 80%, Your profit margin right there is 55%. It means that you get to keep 55% of all that you make. So when some dude tells you, yeah, with my Shopify store I can make $20,000 in a month. They didn't make $20,000. They only made $10,000. Now it's still great. Yeah, it's still great. But it's important to know and understand that shit, okay? Because it makes it way less like dreamy. When someone tells you I made $1 million in a year with Shopify, they didn't make $1 million. Maybe they got to keep 300,000, maybe 400,000, all right? So it's the gross sales is not the amount of money that we care about. When someone talks to you about gross sales, it just means that either they don't know what the fuck they're talking about, or they're trying to sell you some shit, or they're trying to like impress you in some ways. We don't care about how much you sell. We care about how much you keep. And so with infomercial product, it's profitable, meaning your profit margins are fucking huge. For example, let's say that you sell a PDF or a video course, whatever, we're gonna talk about this in a minute, but you sell that shit for like $99, okay? And you need to pay $29 for your hosting of that course, okay? $29 per month. That means that if you can sell like 10 product, that's like one every 3 days. It's not that hard, okay? One product sold every 3 days, it's not that hard. So let's say you do that, and that makes you $1,000 per month, which is actually really simple to get to, but let's focus on the rest of it. So you make $1,000 a month and you have to pay back $29, all right? So that's 2%, okay? That's 3% of your whole profit margin. So that's 3% to make that deal come, okay? Right here, if they make $100, they have to pay back $25 for the product, $20 for the ad. Well, if you make your info product, you have to pay $3 to have the video course and all that stuff, all right? So it's a way better margin. And you're gonna be like, yeah, but I need to create that stuff. And yeah, you do, but it's free, okay? You don't need to pay anything. You can use your camera with your video, with your, with your smartphone, all right? You can use your smartphone to videotape that shit. Or you can just do like I do with my PDF courses. I just write it on Word. Yeah, I just use Word. So profit margin with an info product are fucking insane. It's about 85% to 95%. So With Shopify, it's like 45%. In most businesses, it's gonna be around 25 to 45%. But selling information product online is the most profitable of all things that you can do if you want to make money online, all right? It's very profitable, so you don't need to sell that much, okay? And it's fucking passive. So what more would you ask, okay? Super fucking simple. And then the other thing about Infoproduct is that you don't need skills. You only need to know about the stuff you're writing about. If you're, for example, let's say that you are a fitness coach. You only need to know about fitness to write that stuff, all right? You don't need to contact supplies. You don't need to check out with distributors. You don't need to worry about that shit, okay? All you need to do is create the product, then go online. And if you want to know what to do online, you can either check more videos right here, but we're going to talk about this later in the video. All right, moving on. So what kind of info product are the best kind? All right. So first thing first, if you're selling an info product, you get to keep most of the money, and it's fucking cool. But if you want to go with ads, and if you really want to build something huge, you need very high priced products, okay? You need product that are about $279 to $979 to even more than this. So you need really expensive stuff if you want to pay for your ads. So that's not the greatest thing. Now, do you need ads to make a living online? Like, fuck no. If you want to go like next step and become millionaire and all that stuff with money you make online by selling your info product, you will need ads, okay? You will need ads. But if you want to make a living, if you want to live decently, like in a good house, in good food and all that stuff, you don't really need to pay for ads. You only need to have a good looking brand, okay? You only need to be known by a lot of people. And you can do that for free nowadays with YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and all of them, okay? So you don't really need to pay for ads. You only need to produce content, and more of it if you really want to make more money. Because the amount of money you will make will depend on the amount of content that you will create. So what kind of info product should you build? So there's two kinds. There's the PDF, there's the video course, and there's also the audio course. Now, the audio course, in my opinion, you should do it with the video course, but you can build one aside if you want to, okay? No big deal. Now the PDF, you can sell that stuff for like 29 to 97 bucks. I strongly suggest you build a product like this first, and then you build a product like this. Why? Because to build that product, you need to have a very nice understanding of your subject. And when you build it, it's going to be your first introduction product, okay? So when, for example, when you sell something about fitness, about whatever, all right, whatever subject you're interested in, when you sell that stuff, it's important to have a front end and a back end. So what are those things, all right? Well, the front end is the inexpensive stuff and the back end is the very expensive stuff. For example, your PDF can be your front end. You can have a PDF about training, about dieting, about metabolism, whatever, okay? You can have 3 ebooks about this, then 3 video courses about the same subject. And then you can have another bigger product. That's how most people build their businesses, all right? They don't have just one product. They have multiple products with different price tag so that they can funnel people. Like, you really have to see this as something like this, okay? And right here, you might feel like, yeah, I'm gonna make most of the money right there. It's not right, okay? Your front end, you're gonna, maybe if you use ads, that's where you're gonna get the amount of money you spend on ads back. If you are not using ads, it's very probable that your business is going to stop there, which you shouldn't, but whatever. So your front end is inexpensive stuff, okay? PDF for 29 to 97 bucks. You're not gonna make a bunch of money with this. If you sell 100 of them, like it's 3,000 bucks or 10,000 bucks. That's not much, okay? That's not much. That's not how you can make a lot of money. So it's important to have that at first so that people can check you out, okay? If you only have a bigger product for like 1,000 bucks, well, you need to provide a lot of value up front. You need to do webinars and to do live sales, okay? That's the best way to go about this if you have a bigger product without having a front end that people can taste, okay? If you have a front end, it's see that as something that people can taste, so that they know, okay, I'm interested in that shit, in that dude. Okay, so PDF 29 to 97 bucks. Now you can use video course, and video course you can have them from 197 bucks to 997 bucks. You can even go further than this, but further than that you're probably gonna have to have a lot more interaction with that person. So that's here that you will make the money. Okay, it's with your video courses that you will make the most money. And if you can be higher price tagged, well, get there, man. Because right here, it's nice. That's not where you're gonna make the money. It's here, okay? Here you make the most money. And then you can have something else, but it's not an Infoproduct anymore. It can be an academy, or it can be a coaching group, something like this, which will enable you to like have a good price tag and make money, okay? But with infomercial product, that's usually the way you can set it up.